What up, you crack ass motherfuckers? I mean, what? Check it.
The rebellious spirit has produced some angry young men, some rebels with and without a cause. Their frustration, their anger, or just plain energy are released in different ways.
What's that? What up, dear? What up, dear? What's up with the deer? Nowadays, I think my life's justice from right. Always trust to do wrong, but not forget I will fight. I wish you could understand my corrupted mind. Always kick to the floor. When I reach for the skies, I'd like to save this world. When the government questions me why, I'm standing up for the people, that's why. A rebellion since my first day. That's why I rock on a mic and leave you with nothing to say. A self-made assassin with a microphone. And when I'm rapping, your bitches better leave me alone. Always been a hustle, I don't grow no clones. Talking all tough, you better watch your tone. Cause mine's safe, gorillas now don't grow no songs. I was placed on earth to set you right from wrong. Every day people asking for the names of my songs. Tired of the greediest, a crazy mind you're among. Look to your left, it's my fist that swung. Because I'm bored of destroying you, bitch, I'm done. Let the people of this earth choose right. We have the option to stand here and fight. Not a day in my life, I let the system control me. I'm standing for this world, so respect you owe me. So respect you owe me.